That was close, man. That was close. Alright, so I'm pretty sure there's powder gangers here. I'm like positive there's powder gangers. Who the fuck lives here? Or Deputy Beagle's residence? Maybe. Let's see. Okay. What we got? We got crutches. We got empty Nuka-Cola bottles. A Braxo. We got a paint gun. Got a little engine. We got a poster.
Humpty Dumpty just followed.
Humpty Dumpty, what is up? Don't fall off that wall. Appreciate the follow though. Thank you. What was that? Can I open that? Yeah. Nah, I already know. I played Skyrim. I know this. Lead pipe bank. I'll take it all, bruh. Give me all that stuff. Alright, that it?